It's an experience these campaigners, part of Wales's Youth Climate Ambassadors programme, won't easily forget.
Poppy, does this make a difference, though? The world leaders are gathering over on the other side of the river. Are they listening and watching what you're doing here?
You know what, it should make a difference. I think when that many thousands of young people and people join together and say you need to act, if that doesn't provide the incentive that world leaders need to act, I don't know what will, because we are in a stage of make or break, and I think today was a testament of why we need to act with urgency, so they should be listening.
Quick message from both of you to young people back home in Wales watching. What would you say, Molly?
I think here we see real climate leadership on the streets of Glasgow. This is where the action is. It's not in fancy conferences that we see real change. Young people have shown climate leadership. If the leaders who are currently in those positions of power can't, then they should step aside and let those who can take those seats.
Climate change is going to impact every one of us, so please don't underestimate the power that young people have.
There's a week to go of this global summit to try and agree further action to fight climate change. Today, the younger generation has made its expectations clear.